Interpolation with unequal intervals, Newton's divided difference formula. Newton's divided difference formula. If x0, x1, x2 up to xn are values of x not equally spaced, and y0, y1, y2 up to yn are the corresponding values of y is equal to f of x, then formula for Newton's divided difference is f of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into delta y0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 delta square y0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into delta cube y0 plus so on is called as Newton's divided difference formula, where delta y0, delta square y0 and delta cube y0 are the first, second, third divided difference. Now in this, if you see here, the values of x not equally spaced means if you take the difference of x minus x0, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2, this difference it is not same, it is unequal. Now for the Newton's divided difference formula, you can see the table. So we have to find first divided difference, then we have to find second divided difference, then we have to find third divided difference, and so on. So first you can write the x and y. So x, it is start with x0. So x0 first term, x1, x2 and x3. Then y, y0, y1, y2 and y3. Now we have to find first divided difference. How to find the first divided difference? So you can take this second term. So y1 minus y0, y1 minus y0, this y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. So x1 minus x0. Then second term you have to find. So this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then y3 minus y2, y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x2. y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0, you can take here a, answer is a. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, you can take answer as a b. And y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x2, you can take answer, it is a c. So you can see here, so first term here it is x1 minus x0, you can see here it is x2 and here it is x3. So here it is increment by 1. So x1, x2 and x3. Same here, x0, x1, x2. Then we have to find second divided difference. So b minus a divided by x2 minus x0. Now here it is the first term, it is x1. You can increment here by 1. So it is x2. And this x0 you can keep as it is. Then second term, c minus b divided by this term, it is x2. So you can write here x3. So again you can increment by 1. So here it is x2. Then you can write here x3. Minus x0. So again increment by 1. So it is x1. So answer for this, it is a d, and answer for it is e. So e minus d, it is x3 minus x0. Now this is the x2. So again in the x2 you can add 1. So it is x3, and x0 keep as it is. Now you can see the formula again. So it is x1 minus x0. So x1 minus x0 you can increment by 1. So it is x1, x2 and x3. This one it is x0, x1 and x2. This is x1. So again you can increment by 1. So it is x2 minus x0. Do not make change here x with x0. So this one it is x0. You can keep as it is. Again increment by 1 here, x2 here it is x3, x0 here it is x1. So e minus d divided by this term, it is x2. So we can add plus 1. So here it is x3 and minus x0. x0 keep as it is. Now we will see one example on this Newton's divided difference rule. Using Newton's divided difference formula, find the values of f of 2 and f of 15. Table it is given. So values of x and values of y it is given. So y it is denoted by f of x. So 4, 48, 5, 100, 7, 294, 10, 900, 11, 12, 10, 13, 2028. So this table it is given, and we have to find the value of f of 2 as well as we have to find the f of 15. So x, value of x it is a 2, then what is the value of y? What is the meaning of the interpolation? Interpolation means we have to find the value of y corresponding to x between x0 and xa. Now this x it is not equally spaced. Now see the what is the meaning of this. So difference of 4 and 5 it is 1 here. Difference of 7 minus 5 it is a 2 here. So 1, 2. Again 10 minus 7 it is a 3. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So this difference it is not equal. So these are the unequal intervals. So Newton's divided difference formula it is used for the unequal intervals. After this you have to draw the Newton's divided difference table. So you can write here x, y. Then first difference it is denoted by delta y. Second difference it is denoted by delta square y. Then third difference it is denoted by delta cube y. And fourth difference it is denoted by delta raised to 4 into y. So first you can write the values of x. So x it is 4, then 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. So 4 this is x0, then x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Then you can write the values of y. So first value this 48 it is y0, then y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. After writing this you have to find the first difference. So how we can find the first difference? So first difference it is y1 minus y0, y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. So it is 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4 is equal to 52. Then this second term, so it is y2 minus y1, y2 it is 294 minus 100 divided by, it is x2 minus x1. So it is 7 minus 5. So answer it is 97. Then you have to find the third difference. It is y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x2. So it is 900 minus 294 divided by 10 minus 7 is equal to 202. Then y4 minus y3. So y4 it is 1210 minus y3 it is 900 divided by x4 minus x3. So it is 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10 is equal to 310. Then last difference. So it is y5 minus y4. So y5 it is 2028 minus y4 it is 1210 divided by x5 minus x4. So it is 13 minus 11. So answer it is 409. So this is the first difference. Then we have to find the second difference. So for the second difference, so starting here it is x1 minus x0, then you can start here x2 minus x0 and goes on increasing. So this is the x2, x1, x0, this is x3, then here it is x4 and this one it is x5. So x2 and this is x0, so again increment by 1, so x0, x1, x2 and x3. So it is 97 minus 52, 97 minus 52 divided by 7 minus 4 is equal to 15. Then 202 minus 97, 202 minus 97 divided by 10 minus 5 is equal to 21. Then 310 minus 202 divided by this 11 minus 7 is equal to 27. Then 409 minus 310 divided by 13 minus 10. So we will get the second difference. Then we have to find the third difference. So this is start with x1, then this is x2 and this is x3. So value of x3 it is 10. And this do not change here. This one it is a x0. So x3 minus x0 and goes on increasing x3, x4, x5, x0, x1 and x2. So it is 21 minus 15 divided by 10 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then 27 minus 21 divided by 11 minus 5. Then 33 minus 27 divided by 13 minus 7. So answer it is 1. Then we have to find the last difference. So it is 1 minus 1, it is a 0 again. 1 minus 1, it is 0 again. So after finding all these divided difference, we have to use the formula. So formula it is given like this: f of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into delta y0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into delta square y0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into delta cube y0. So all the values are known. So what is this y0? You can see y0 it is 48. So you can put here 48 plus x. You can keep as it is. We have to find the value of x. This is 2. So first we have to find the equation. Then we can, in this equation, we have to put the value 2. See, x minus x0. What is the x0? X0 it is 4. So x minus 4 into delta y0. So this delta y0 you can take this 52. So upper values you have to take. So this is 52, it is delta y0, then 15 it is delta square y, 1 it is delta cube y, and here it is a 0. So there is no problem of the fourth difference. You can see the formula: 48 plus x minus 4 into 52. 52 this is delta y0 plus x minus 4. So this is x minus x0. X0 it is 4. Then x minus x1. X1 it is 5. So x minus 5 into second difference, divided difference, it is the delta y0. So delta y0 here it is 50. So you can write here 50 plus x minus x0. So x0 it is 4. X minus 4 plus x minus x1. X1 it is 5. So x minus 5. X minus x2. So x2 it is a 7. So you can write here 7. And third difference, delta cube y0. So this is difference, it is 1. So you can write here 1. Solve this equation. Then we have to find f of 2. So value of x it is a 2. So this 2 you can put here, and we can find the value of y, it is a 4. Same, x it is a 15. This 15 you can put here. So for this x you can 15 here. Again for this x it is 15. X it is 15 here. Again here it is 15. Here it is 15. Again here it is 15. And you can solve. We will get the answer. So f of 15 is equal to 3150. Thank you. Thank you for watching video.